How to change opacity in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video and a basic text to my timeline and I want to change the opacity of this text. Select the text, open up Inspector panel, and click on Settings tab. Scroll down and under Composite Settings, change opacity to your desired amount. Now let's say we want to change the opacity over time. Move the playhead to the start of the text and set opacity to 0, and click on diamond button next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set opacity to 1. Click on this button to see the keyframes. Move the playhead to near the end of the text and click on diamond button next to opacity again. Move the playhead to the end and set opacity to 0. And now opacity changes over time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.